Did you know that with just a few strategic steps, you could grow your wealth by 40%? Sounds unbelievable, right? But it's true. Research shows that more than 60% of people in India are unaware of how to maximize their savings and investments. A report by the World Economic Forum highlighted that with proper financial planning, individuals could grow their wealth by up to 40% over a decade. I have found with my personal experience that by following a structured and disciplined approach to financial planning, wealth building becomes achievable for everyone and anyone. Hi, my name is Taresh Bhatia, a certified financial planner CFP and your go-to financial freedom specialist. I'm also the author of the Amazon bestseller, The Richness Principles, where I share actionable steps for achieving financial success and independence for all. As a coach at the Richness Academy, I help working professionals, entrepreneurs, families to grow their wealth, reduce financial stress, and create a rich, fulfilling life. With over 38 years of experience in financial planning investment, I've guided countless individuals through tax planning, wealth creation, achieving financial freedom. My mission is to break down complex financial concepts into easy, actionable strategies that anyone can apply. So whether you're just starting out or looking out to fine-tune your financial game plan, I'm here to help you on every step. Stay with me till the end because I'm going to give you some free gifts also. And do like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. Now, if it is something which you're looking for unique in this video, 40% growth, is it possible? Yes, I'm going to explain to you one by one. Now let's talk about the challenges. Growing wealth isn't just about earning money, it's about managing it wisely. Many people face obstacles like high debt, lack of savings, poor investment decisions, which prevent them from achieving their financial independence. The good news, the right steps, you can overcome all such hurdles. And in this video, I'm going to reveal 9 steps to grow your wealth by 40% in 9 steps. 9 steps to grow your wealth by 40%. So secure your future, first of all, with insurance. Let me take you to the 9 steps one by one. So strategically increasing your wealth by 40%. I've got certain steps. Please pick up your pen and paper and make notes. Number 2 point is that making deliberate, well-planned financial decisions are important when you're looking at increasing your wealth by 40%. I would say significant growth in your net worth or income or savings becomes important. And you have to think long-term. Not just long-term, but you have to set financial goals which are in sync with your value systems, assess your current financial situation where you are right now, evaluate your assets and liabilities currently. You have to understand what is your monthly income, cash flow, expenses, and how much can you save and invest every month. You have to maximize your income streams, whatever income streams you have right now, optimize the savings, reduce unnecessary expenses, and reinvest whatever returns are possible with compounding growth, not just savings. Finally, this is a cycle. So monitor and adjust your plan regularly with what you're saving and investing. Seek professional advice if you do not understand what I'm saying and consult a good financial planner so that you can stay educated and informed and cultivate overall a wealth building mindset. This is my first point when it comes to thinking about strategically growing your money. Now, the first major step you would take now is, number 1 is secure your future with insurance. Before you look at any investing or growing your money or savings, whatever money you got today in your bank account, plan and buy life insurance, simple term life insurance. An average would be 1 crore term insurance for a 25-30-year-old person in India, a healthy individual, will cost just about 8 to 10,000 rupees. That's just about 800 rupees or 900 rupees per month. But you eventually are able to rule out any kind of eventuality which may strike you on your journey of wealth creation. If that is done well, then you have to consider that what do I need to. Surely, insurance after life, it is protecting your health with proper health insurance. As I've explained in my earlier video, do watch the link given in the description, how to take your life insurance, how to take your health insurance adequately, and what is adequate and how do you take it. The number 4 step is optimize your savings with auto sweep. Whatever you have learned up till now, so you put in a system in place that every month a portion like 20% of your net savings goes into investments every month. Let's say you get salary in the first, do it by 5th, so that there is no money left for any unnecessary expenses. Now, whether your savings into a fixed deposit as an auto sweep or you're doing into investments, set up the process so that you're not wondering what, where, how is going to happen. So put up number 4 step is put up an auto sweep. Number 5 is now investing. Once you have done your savings, now look at, so watch my video on SIP, watch my video on mutual funds, description given below. Read my blogs to understand SIP and illustrations and mutual funds. Now, important part is investing in high growth mutual funds and investing in sovereign gold bonds as a simple 2-step strategy to investing. And how do you do that? Now, suppose you have currently 5 lakhs invested in a combination of conservative debt mutual funds and fixed deposits. Out of 10 lakh rupees, reallocate a portion of this amount, let's say 2 lakh rupees, into equity mutual funds with a strong track record of high returns and calculated as the best mutual funds as per my explanation given in the earlier video, and continue to invest through SIPs, monthly systematic investment plans, so that you can achieve a 40% increase in the value of your portfolio over few years, depending on the market performance over the last couple of years and going forward, what can be the best strategy possible. So number 5 is investing, and I've explained how you can do this with simply savings, SIP, mutual funds. And third point I would say along with this is sovereign gold bonds. Check out the latest on sovereign gold bonds, what are available, because they offer 2.5% interest, as well as it's a government scheme and good returns linked to gold. So if gold is delivering 9 to 10% consistently year to year, with an 8-year period of sovereign gold bond, you can easily achieve 8 to 10% plus the 2.5% interest which comes to you. So that's a good idea. Give me in the comments below how this is a good idea of investing simplified. My 6th step is plan for retirement. Now, before you make any other goals as important, start investing for your retirement. Look at mutual funds, look at NPS. NPS today is delivering fantastic in the last kind of 2008 to 2024. 16 odd years delivered about 10 to 12% in equity. Exit age at 60, stay invested for 25-30 years and 3 to 4% more than PF. So I would emphasize NPS as a good alternative, about 20-30% put here in NPS and 60 to 70% in mutual funds for planning for retirement goal. So number 6 is plan for retirement. Number 7 is how much do you invest? Now, if your age is 100, simple rule without going into more age, your age, let's say, is 30. So 100 minus 30 is 70. 70% put in equity mutual funds. And this is the rule of investing, and invest in mutual funds. Simple rule to grow your wealth. I've explained in detail in another video on SIP and mutual funds. Understand that. Now, not only you have to understand these, educate yourself, but you have to start a side hustle which can bring more income from your main income. Look at what your expertise is, where your skill is better utilized, and something like an online course which you can develop, like this course which I have done, which can generate additional income within a year, and extra income represents 40% increase over 1 or 2 years. 40% can be your increased income, overall earnings. So increasing this side hustle income increased also give you extra margins to start investing. Where can you do that? Well, creating a passive stream of income, I got 8 ideas. So you can understand one by one. I would say something where a stream can diversify your income, where you can start putting in your time, effort, money, which is reducing your risk, steadily increasing your overall wealth, and is sustainable and meaningful over a long period of time. This could be, now make notes of these ideas, could be blocking or vlogging, whether you have skills on narrating or you can write, e-commerce store, if you have certain ideas to put into place, whether you can put up on all your items on online Amazon or Flipkart, whether you can start doing educational training and earn income from that, whether it's in person, online, or certain school subjects you can teach, some entrance exam preparations, or just a skill development course is what you think can be a good idea. Agricultural ventures, whatever income you earn is tax free also. So think of organic farming, think of beekeeping, think of high value crops which are possible. Organic honey, essential oils, and handmade soaps could be some ideas on agricultural ventures. Number 5th idea on side hustle could be that you generate social media income from social media management. For example, you're good at helping people on various social medias, so that can help you to generate more of social income, creating content for other people. That's the number 5 idea. Number 6 is that you can have your own franchise ownership. Franchise ownership means with an established brand, you can say into food, retail, or education. So this is a new business opportunity which is coming in a big way in India, with neighboring countries not being able to offer, and this is suddenly giving new opportunities with certain brands asking you to make their brands, their production with you. Handicrafts and artisanal products could be another idea, whether you're into pottery, weaving, or woodwork, or you can sell these items at certain fairs or online stores. So think of such side hustles. And one of the last 8 is looking at income from development. So if you can't go out, you're shy, introvert, think of mobile apps, think of online product solutions, tech solutions, apps for specific needs, software development services, and think of certain mobile app which addresses a specific problem. So these are 8 areas, side hustles, which you can think and plan and increase your income also. My number 9th idea is starting planning, budgeting, and expense management. So whatever your expenditures are, make a Excel sheet or somewhere notes what all expenses can you cut down, which are unnecessary expenses. So starting at cutting down expenses, think and make a plan to reduce your expenses which are unnecessary. Maybe they go into the want category and they are not necessarily a need category. So think of reducing these expenses. That's my 9th idea. I said 9th. So last one is consult a professional. If you need help on all of the above and understand how you can do better, consult a professional, review with him regularly, and keep progressing frequently. To conclude this complete idea on how you can do it, how you like the top 9 ideas, tell me in the comments below, and do share, like, comment. To read more and understand 9 steps to grow your wealth by 40%, I have put together all these thoughts in this blog which you see on the screen. So go to blog.tareshbhatia.com / what you see here on the screen and read more on this with this blog here, which gives you detailed idea on what I've just explained. The 9 points also are briefly illustrated here, and you can understand there's some given links. All the steps are illustrated very carefully here, and you can subscribe to this newsletter, this blog. Whenever the blog is published, just put your name and email here and you will start receiving my blog notifications. If you want to join my value emails, same place, just put in your name, email details, and you can join my value emails also anytime. And so that this is already about 1 year long free subscription which I'm providing to you as of today. So do remember to put in your details here so that you can enjoy the benefits of reading my value emails along with what you've seen here. To sum it up, all the 9 points which I've explained, and to wrap it up, we have covered 9 steps to grow your wealth by 40%, from securing your future, from insurance to making smart investments like mutual funds, sovereign gold bonds. Remember, consistency is the key. By applying these strategies, you are setting yourself up for financial freedom and a secured future. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of the 9 steps to grow your wealth by 40% resonated well with you the most? Drop in your thoughts in the comments below. And if you have found value in this video, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel Taresh Bhatia, and share this content with others who are looking to grow their wealth also. Also, make sure to hit the bell notification so that you don't miss any future updates. Stay tuned with my next video where I'll continue to explain and explore actionable steps to financial freedom. Till then, stay happy with your investments and always be invested in the best ways possible. Thank you. This is Taresh Bhatia, your financial freedom specialist.